Subaru's long-anticipated electric SUV, which is being co-developed with Toyota, is almost here. Now that we have a name to put to the new Subaru EV, we just can't wait any longer to have a glimpse at this spectacular EV. Introducing Solterra. Welcome to TechSpot. Founded in 1953 by Kenji Kita, Subaru is the giant Japanese automotive manufacturing division that turned out to be the 21st largest automaker by production worldwide in 2017. The Subaru Solterra, which media referred to as the Subaru Evoltus formerly, is going to be the first Subaru electric car, not just in the US, but in the global market. This is not a transformation or conversion of an existing Subaru. While automakers usually release ICE BEV conversions, swapping out the engine and gearbox by prevailing models for batteries and motors, Subaru has developed the Solterra from the ground up as an electric vehicle, in collaboration with the Japanese motor giant Toyota. The name Solterra comes up by combining the Latin words sun and earth, which is meant to intensify the car's environmental friendly objectives. The Subaru Solterra is built on an e-Subaru global platform, an all-new electric vehicle architecture. The Solterra EV carries the Subaru's brand reliability, top-notch safety technology, and incredible all-wheel drive engineering to an environmentally credible all-electric SUV. Subaru first released a teaser of the Solterra, relieving its stunning outline. Subaru has revealed more teaser photos of the Solterra, displaying glimpses of its exterior, as well as its interior. It looks similar inside and out to the Toyota BZ4X, with which it will share a platform and powertrain. The electric chassis is not shared with any Subaru's gas-fed models, and the dedicated setup will deliver Subaru's skilled hands in all-wheel drive technology while merging Toyota's vehicle electrification technology. The Subaru EV features a gorgeous silhouette and a unique headlamp design that is very similar shape to the Toyota BZ4X, indicating that sheet metal changes would be very limited. The teaser also confirms that the sides would look the same and that, just like on the Toyota EV, the charging point would be located in the left front fender. While the shape of the tail section would be the same for the two cars, the bumper and combination lamps would look slightly different. The Subaru wouldn't have the continuous light strip connecting the tail lamps. The revealing picture also shows a symmetrical all-wheel drive badge right below the Subaru inscription. A batch of photos released more recently essentially review Solterra's entire profile, headlight design, and even its dimly lit interior at night. Another batch of photos clearly shows a fully digital instrument cluster and a large new horizontal laid out infotainment system with climate controls just below, along with a puck-style shifter. A new generation of steering wheel controls are visible, in addition to a separate digital gauge instrument cluster just ahead of the driver. Subaru hasn't disclosed the dimensions of the Solterra yet, but it's expected to be about the length and overall size of the Forester, with somewhat lower roofline. From the photos, it's quite evident that Solterra will get a large glass roof. The Solterra appears to have a long wheelbase, along with wheels tugged to each corner. Aerodynamics surely played a role in the smooth profile, minimizing drags help minimize range per charge. The first outlines of the new electric crossover have also just been laid out, including that it will come with ample back seat and cargo room. The only details relieved about the powertrain so far is that the Solterra will have a standard all-wheel drive, meaning it will have front and rear electric motors. While the battery capacity is also unspecific, it can be anticipated that it will need to be estimated drive range of at least 250 miles to be competitive with other models in the segment. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Solterra should be a major hit for Subaru. The Japanese automaker says that the Solterra will include plenty of ground clearance and claims that the Solterra will be the most technologically advanced Subaru ever. On a marketing page geared towards the Solterra, the brand described the Solterra as a natural evolution of Subaru all-weather, all-road performance. The brand generally attracts nature lovers and people who care about the environment, but cars like the Outback and Forester have lagged behind competitors getting more fuel-efficient hybrid and electric versions to the market. A zero-emission vehicle that exemplifies everything people love about current Subarus and comes in at a decent price range should go very well with its buyers. In terms of specifications, a few photographs show that the component structure of the platform, with the drive system mounted under the hood and a battery pack embedded in the floor, it implies that the Subaru Solterra may not feature a front trunk, but it does indicate the flat 4 should allow a lounge-like interior. Back in 2010, Toyota packed a 41.8 kWh lithium-ion battery in the 3rd gen RAV4. Battery technology has progressed a lot in the last decade, with great advancements made in energy density and cost. The BZ4X, the new era RAV4 class EV, sits on a platform developed specifically for EVs. Japanese website Best Car Web speculates that the Subaru Solterra battery system will probably offer a 60 kWh unit that can deliver a range of 400 to 450 kilometers in local WLTC mode. With Subaru in the driver's seat steering through the development of the all-wheel drive technology, foresee the Solterra to be capable of tackling snow, mud, and gravel smoothly. While it won't be an extreme rock crawler, it's better not to take it for the high-riding wagon, because of course, it's a Subaru. It could feature the dual-function X-Mode system of ICE Subaru models that allows the driver to adapt the vehicle components for specific driving conditions like snow or dirt. Subaru is renting Toyota's technical resources for the Solterra instead of indigenously developing it because it definitely wants to keep the investment and the risk low and under control. Toyota possesses the ultimate expertise in electrification, having sold a wide range of hybrid EVs for years now, and a few pure EVs recently. Unfortunately, Subaru lacks a few points at aspect. While Toyota may have an impressive combination to the platform's development due to its better knowledge and experience with regards to electrification, Subaru will pull off its strengths in areas like all-wheel drive and control. As per the reports, the Subaru Solterra will go on sale for the first market by the middle of 2022. The first Subaru electric car has already received the green signal for launch in the US, Japan, Canada, China, and European countries. In the US, it is expected that the prices will start around $40,000 at launch. The Solterra could be a game changer for Subaru, enabling it to transform the brand image with higher quality and more advanced technologies that are not offered on prevailing models. Subaru has announced that it will focus on US customers and prioritize refining quality, both of which should lead to the Solterra earning special attention during development. Solterra will be Subaru's global electric car and its second plug-in for the US. Depending on location, US buyers can get the Crosstrek Hybrid, a plug-in hybrid offering 17 miles of electric range and 35 miles per gallon combined. While the Japanese gem is about to come up with a boom, the world awaits more glimpses of the spectacular EV to get a sense of the upcoming revolution in the automotive industry. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.